Hi, we finally have our T-shirts. Let me tell you real quick. Purple Heart Project, where we bring in combat wounded veterans and we treat them to a week of hand tool training at our expense. They're our guests. Well, this is our logo, and I want to thank Liz Matheny from Woodcraft and retired Colonel Luther Sheely and Jake and Frick and everybody else who was involved in designing it. This heart is the actual shape of the Purple Heart. On one side is Purple Heart wood. The other side is bird's eye maple, Canadian. It's got the dovetail going up through the middle with a hand plane in the middle. That's a 4.5, not a 4. And then the Purple Heart Project. So we've had numerous people ask, and we finally got them done. We went with really good T-shirts. They're actually beefy tees. So on the front, over the left breast, is the logo. And of course, the only reason this all works is because wood is good. RobCosman.com. Get them while they're hot. Get them and wear them proudly. Help us promote our project. And don't forget, if you know any combat wounded veteran, have him go to our site, RobCosman.com. All of the information is there where they can apply and become one of our guests. Tremendous healing that takes place. Thanks for your support.